good holiday, Christmas, New Year's, and just wanted to touch base on this class since it's the first time we've done an online clinical. Try to explain to you what I've done on the Moodle page here and what the course kind of looks like. So when you open it up on Moodle, you should have this in front of you. Starting at the top, the news forum is where if you want to post some questions that maybe the whole class might like to hear the answer to, this would be a good place for it as we go through the course. In preparation for this, I just put a list here about reading the course syllabus and then looking at or maybe printing the course calendar. So let's go into the syllabus briefly here. Pretty standard for my syllabi. This is a 3-credit course for you because of the number of hours that you put in for your clinical. Here's the components for the evaluation. We'll go through those as we go through the class. But the clinical is an entire sports season, or at least 320 hours. I briefly explained every evaluation component here, but again, there'll be more detail as we go on through the course. It'd probably be really helpful if you want to print the course calendar. I put this together so that you can see when assignments are due. So don't use it as like you wouldn't go to the 12th and say, oh, what do I have to start on today? No, this is when things are actually due. Let's go into the first week here. The first thing we have is the clinical assignment, and I guess we can look and see that on our calendar. That clinical assignment is due tomorrow, so if you're not sure what that is, I think all of you have probably turned it in. I don't think anybody's late on it. If we look at this, we see this is the reminder of what it is, where you have to take the pictures and the EAPs and submit the pictures to me, but I think everybody's done this. I didn't check before I posted this, but if you haven't, please get that done. That's up there. Then let's see, we also have, it says we look ahead on Friday, and it says you have to post a case study number 1 by midnight. So we go back and we say, well, what is case study? That's due at midnight on the 8th, and you click on that, and you'll have within there an explanation of what the case study is and what it involves. All right, so you'll read through that, and I also am providing for every assignment that you have in this course a grading rubric that is hopefully coming up here. All right, so case study number 1, grading rubric. And you can refer to this to see exactly what I'm going to be looking for in every assignment and how many points I'll award in, for each category. So for this particular one, we had 3 categories. Highest possible points was 25, and it goes from there. So it should be pretty self-explanatory in there. And then you can look at the calendar and see that on Saturday a competency video is due at midnight. So everything for 1 week I tried to put in one section when it was due. So again, you just click on it, and it tells you about the assignment and what you have to videotape yourself demonstrating. And as I said earlier, there is a grading rubric. So you know exactly what I'll be grading for every assignment. I guess you could probably figure that out on your own. So that's how that works. One thing I haven't talked about yet is peer reviews. For every case study that you submit, so you'll submit case studies on Fridays, and then everybody will have theirs posted by midnight. And then after midnight, you'll be able to view everybody's, and then you have a couple days to pick one of your peers' case studies, and review it. And it's kind of like you're going to be going through it and grading it according to the grading rubric. So The grading rubric that you'll use will be listed in the next week. I'll post that. So I think that will cover pretty much most of it. You have 1, 2, 3 competency videos, 3 case studies, 3 peer reviews, and 1 written competency for this class, and then you put in your evaluations. So I hope that it's a good class, that it's helpful, that you don't find it just busy work. But we'll see how it goes. I guess we can always change it as we go along. So let me know again, email me or post your questions in the news forum. If you have any this week, I'll probably post another video Thursday or Friday just to give you a heads up for what's coming up in the next week. So have a good day.